Well, that's good enough. This is chapter 19-39, OKRA Diet for All. Now, I dealt previously with mental health. Looking good is part of mental health. Now I'm doing, after this will be a hair tutorial, but here's an example. I am in dire straits, passing out. My Parkinsonism is terrible. The allergies are so bad. I'm in an apartment that's poisoning me constantly. And it's that simple to look good. And I just stick on pretty glasses. And these are dollar store glasses. I got about 200 of them. You know, for $1, why not? And I just, you know, if you don't need glasses, you can just get the very, you know, the clear ones, very weak ones or whatever. But I'm lucky. My eyes require 300. That's it. I can go to any dollar store and get glasses that allow me to be able to drive safely. I don't need prescription. I got a lot of brain damage, folks, but oh, God was kind to me in some other ways. So you know, and particularly now during COVID-19, I'm very depressed. I'm finding it very hard to eat healthy because truthfully, I don't want to be here on this planet. And I haven't wanted to be here for a very long time. I've been in isolation on and off. I'm a bubble person for 36 years. Well, actually, it started in 1947. I was 6 years old. And it's called Parkinsonism, 20th century disease, you name it, you name it. But we are the children who have been poisoned by your canola oil and toxic chemicals, air, food, and water, and beverages. And I am the future. I am your canary. So it is important to make yourself feel good, even if you don't feel good. And I don't feel good. I'm in a lot of pain. But it's so easy for me to make myself look good. Now, I admit I was trained as a model as a teenager, but it's not hard, you know. It's just that some of you, when it comes to fashion, oh, God, listen. There was a woman in Toronto, I'm sorry, I don't know her name. She was like 260 pounds, but she was curved like that, and she wore bright, beautiful colors and skin tight, and she looked fabulous. So, you know, I've got this terrible belly fat now. Yeah, like, and it doesn't seem like much, but it spoils my look. And it's just because I'm in bed. I can't exercise. I can't go out. I can't even open the window. But I can look good. And it does make me feel better to look good. So I'm putting that in my program because it is what I do. And when I was able to get out in public, this is how I dress and walk in the malls. And the kids loved me, and I'd have sparkles. And teenagers would come up and say hi to me. And I made friends with the girls and the sales clerks. And it was fun. That was my fun. And every now and then, someone would ask about the gas mask. I've been in one for 34 years. And I'd give them my card. And maybe I could save the life of a child from becoming like me, or who already is like me and can be recovered with the OKRA Diet for All Diet for Life system. So, yes. It's looking good. 79 in September, if I make it. Don't know. This is May 2020. Okay. Yeah. Over and out. Bye. I haven't done a hair tutorial for a very long time. I didn't use any hair pieces. I let my gray, but look pretty good for 78, right? Be 79 in September and sick as a dog. But yeah, you see, wearing colored glasses, usually I have the glasses that match. And so just to show you what I did, I'm going to take it all off. And it's really easy. You know, I cut little bangs myself. But of course, I was trained by, when I was modeling as a teenager, how to do hair and stuff. And I deliberately leave my hair long And I'll tell you why. Because it is so easy to make different hairstyles. You see, when it's long, you can do things with it. And it doesn't look bad, you know? Yeah. So to go to sleep, this is what I do. Because I don't want the ball and my hair in my face. There, see? It's so easy. Yeah. A little bit of flowers, a little hairband, a little band. I just stick it up in a pony. That's why I don't have short hair, because you can't do much with short hair. But I just wanted to show people like I am in an isolation. But if I want to look good, I can look good. It don't take much, just all in how you put it together. Have fun. I'm used to being in isolation. I'm a professional at it. Been at it for 34 years. Okay, bye.